Ever wonder why sloths are so slow? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these adorable creatures. Sloths have a super low metabolism, which means they digest food very slowly and efficiently. Their fur is covered in algae, helping them blend perfectly with their surroundings to avoid predators. And did you know that sloths sleep up to 20 hours a day? They conserve energy by moving as little as possible. Want more amazing animal facts like this one? Subscribe for your daily dose of fun knowledge.